I got a lot up though.
I can almost make peace with Grimghoul. Grimmy kill. You seek the lady? No. I kind of wish that we put on a mod that allows us to auto-resolve our quest battles.
Oh, auto-resolve everything?
No, auto-resolve quest battles.
Oh.
Not everything. Because quest battles are really annoying to fucking do.
Rage, he's gonna be really mad.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo, why
he's reaching out to me right now. Let's see. He wants a peace treaty.
Fuck you, bitch!
No. I told him no.
He's a piece of shit!
Oh shit.
Well, if I accepted it, then I wouldn't be able to reinforce Cloud. Right
that
here.
Is horrifying. Yeah, I know.
Oh, someone else is reaching out to me.
Yeah, it's Rage's vassal.
Trade agreement. Their demands?
Yeah, accept that.
Yo, they're demanding money off you.
That's right. Just accept it. That way you can improve your relationship with them, and it'll make it easier to buy that settlement.
Yeah.
Is this how... Oh no, she has to...
Alright, Rage, he's coming in.
Yeah, I see him. So what we need to do is we need to take this place this turn, and you need to put your people in it.
I know, I'm just gonna be investing in guns.
And I'll be reinforcing.
Chaos on you. Perhaps.
Should I take it or no?
Yeah, let me move up to it so I can reinforce.
Shadows move.
Alright, now go for it. Decisive, easy.
Motherfuckers.
Yeah, fucking By the way, Rage, I'm gonna try to bring them in that attempt to kill you.
Yeah, I hate them. Please, fuck their souls hard.
Hey, yo. Look at sus.
Actually,
a dark omen.
Get right here.
I'm kind of scared of this tree man. Tree man is a little bit scary.
We'll burn him. We'll turn him into charcoal.
I wish I could do that, but I don't have any fucking fire. I also don't have any anti-odd. Yes, I do.
Oh, we need more shit for the drill.
Okay. Don't worry, we're getting your ship back under control.
So fucking mad.
It's okay.
Let's see if this tree person decides to poop on me.
What is he doing? Like, are you in a neutral battle with them, or is he getting a hand on you?
What, the tree man?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to kill this French woman, and he's just hey, get away from my queen.
I see the tree has relations with the French.
Yeah.
Oh, he backed away like a bitch, Rage.
Yeah, he's smart.
Run away!
He'd get fucked up if he attacked us right here.
Skedaddle, skedaddle, get out of there! I wonder if I can do a funny.
Let's get some more labor.
I'm on 26. next one is at 60.
I kind of want to
Ambush?
push him.
Any ambushes in chat?
Push
no,
'em.
no ambushes in chat at all.
Push him.
Maybe there's some betas in chat. Not masturbators.
Destroy.
No betas.
Normal baiters. You just fisted him.
Yeah, now go get the settlements. I like the look of that one. That's nice. I like that.
Belacor.
Yeah, I'm gonna push Blizzard Peak here next.
Umazma.
That was good stuff right there. Yeah.
Oh right, yeah. Let me put this item on this guy real quick. Oh wait, did I already put it on? Oh, I did. Okay, never mind. And then you get that. That. And that's it. That's all you get. He's real fucking hidden.
Can do that, and
God damn it! Your fucking vassal has literally taken over everything over here.
he already had half of it when I vassalized him. Or yeah, he had pretty much all of that by the time I had vassalized him. Yeah. Let me see how much I can get that from him actually. Let me see if I can't get it off him. Since I'm very friendly with him. Alright, I just bought it off him for 2,000. So now I can give it to you.
This motherfucker.
I proposed it to you.
You summoned the first prince. Are you prepared?